Next up, in our weekly dose of what sounds like complete science fiction but is actually true, scientists are now editing the DNA of horses to create bodybuilder horses to cheat at polo. For those of you who've never heard of polo, it's effectively a game where people ride on horseback and they try to use mallets to hit a ball into the opponent's goal. Now, for years, breeders have selectively bred horses to have the best physical attributes to give their riders an advantage in the game. But then comes along CRISPR-Cas9 DNA editing technology that changes everything in sport. And for those of you who want a more in-depth explanation of CRISPR-Cas9, go look at one of my recent videos after this one. But essentially, it's a DNA editing technology, and in this case they use it to knock out a gene called myostatin in horses. Now, myostatin is a small protein that acts as a messenger, and when it binds to its target receptor, it causes a decrease in muscle mass and development. So essentially, the less myostatin you have, the more muscle you can grow, and quickly. Hence, knocking out myostatin in these horses enables them to be far more muscular than the average horse. And in fact, mutations to the myostatin gene have been seen naturally in other species. One species with a known mutation to the myostatin gene is a breed of cattle called the Belgian Blue. Just look how much muscle is on this cattle, and this cattle has never even been once to the gym. Following the move by scientists to start editing the myostatin gene to make horses far more muscular, the Argentine Polo Association started banning all gene editing horses from all competitions, with many organisations already having done so, including those in equestrian. So my question is, should we allow genetically modified animals to compete in sports, or are organisations right to start banning these modified organisms from competing?